guys are gonna like this one. This is another original. This is written by my dad's friend and Pat's friend. His name is Fabian. What's his last name? Fabian? Fabian and Mariano. They were in a band. And here we go. We're gonna play it. Ready? Oh yeah! Hey, I sing this one. Some say she's nothing but trouble. Some say she's more than a dream. Young and so sweet but so subtle. Just enough to make you scream. Oh, there's something about her that makes you act like a child. You know there's something deep inside her that makes you wonder why. Oh no, where's she gone? It's Doorbell Dixie again. She's swinging your heart and running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Playing a game that she loves to play. Where's she gone? Woke up for more than a tease. Leaving you crying in your fear. Showing you in, but then release you. Leaving you shaking and bare. So that it doesn't really matter. You keep on going back and forth. You bring me a ghost and a laughter. As you drop that clothes on the floor. Oh no, where's she gone? Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Swinging her heart and running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie playing a game that she's born to play. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Don't you listen to what she says. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. She's ringing your heart, but then she's running away. Oh no, where's she gone? Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Oh, she's ringing your heart again. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Playing a game she was born to play. Doorbell Dixie again. She's ringing your heart and then she's running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Playing the game she was born to play. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Don't you listen to what she says. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Playing the heart, but then she's running away. Oh no, where's she gone?
Thank you so much. We are the Flying Yogurt Band. Check us out at flyingyogurt.com. And as Harrison mentioned, we are available for hire. Only birthdays.